Very good morning, my dear lovely children. How are you all today? I hope all are safe and fine. Right? So, welcome to today's English class. Dear children, today's class we will learn question answers and textbook exercises from the lesson number 3 at the zoo. Okay? So, this is your English textbook. Okay? So, open this textbook, dear children. So, open the lesson number 3. Okay? So, let's get started. So, open page number 31, lesson number 3 at the zoo. Lesson name is at the zoo. Okay, na? So, in your previous class, what you have learnt? Tell me, dear children. You have learnt about Manu's family, and Manu and his family going to where, children? Zoo. Okay. Manu's father take them to where, children? Zoo. Okay, so zoo is the place for animals, different kinds of animals. You can see many kinds of animals at the zoo. Understand, everybody? So Manu is very happy. Why? Because he wants to see many animals. Okay. So here next picture you can see Manu takes his bat and ball. And next picture you can see, who is this? It is dog. Okay, Manu's pet dog. Pet dog name is Spot. Okay, Spot. The dog name is Spot. And this dog takes his rubber bone. Okay, here see, it is rubber bone. Next picture you can see Mita. Mita is also very happy. Mita is also very happy. Why she is happy? Because she wants to see animals. She is going to zoo, no? So that she is very happy. Okay. And she takes doll. Okay. So they cannot wait to get into the car. But where are mommy and daddy? Now you can see Manu's family. Manu's father and mother. Okay, they are Manu's father and mother, and they are very busy to pack the food. Okay, packing the food. Next picture, they are going okay, by the car. Next, here you can see, now they reached at the zoo. Now you can see many animals. Okay, different types of animals. You can see. What is this? Tell me the name of this animal. Lion. Lion's baby is called cub. Okay. And tiger, you can see. Tiger is sleeping. And you can see animal, elephant. Okay. Elephant is a big animal. Elephant is a big animal. And it has long trunk. Okay. It is called nose. Okay. So ears also. Very big ears it has. Next you can see crocodile. Crocodile is in green in color. Okay, and you can see sharp, okay, sharpened teeth. Understood, everybody? So crocodile is one of the dangerous animal. Next you can see snake. Okay, snake. And you have learnt the sounds of these animals. Okay. Tiger is sleeping, so the sleeping sound of the tiger is zzz. Okay. Then the birds chirp. Okay, chirping. Birds are sounding like tweet, 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 tweet. Okay. Then the lion roars. Okay, like that. Then the lion cub. Lion cub, who is here? See, lion's baby. Okay, baby of the lion, trying to roar like his parents. Okay. Next, the snake goes hiss. Okay. Next, the monkey waves his long tail. Here you can see long tail. Monkey has long tail. Okay. And it's the monkey shaking his tails here and there. Okay. So next, the crocodile shakes his tail. Crocodile also having tail. Okay. But small tail. Not like monkey's tail. Okay. Next, the elephant lifts his long nose. Elephants, where is elephant? Here you can see. Okay, elephant nose, it is called elephant nose. It is very big nose, not like ours nose. Okay, it is very big nose. Next, what fun they all have. So they enjoyed very lot. They enjoyed lot. Next, now the question answers, the textbook exercises from this lesson. Okay, I'll teach you. Reading part, first main, take the right options. Only 3 questions are given here. Very easy answers. Okay, you can take the answers. Which one is suitable for this question? Daddy said he would take all of them. Daddy, who is daddy? Manu's daddy. Okay, Manu's daddy said he would take all of them to the park, to the zoo. The lesson name itself, at the zoo, right? So, to the zoo is the right answer. Daddy said all the family members, today we will go to the zoo. So, to the zoo is the right answer. The spelling of the to the zoo, here see T-O, to, T-H-E, the, Z-O-O, zoo. To the zoo. Okay. Next one, who were happy? In this story, in this at the zoo lesson, who were happy? Who were happy? Manu. Manu is the main character of this story. Then Manu's sister Mita. Then last one, Manu's Spot. Okay, Spot. Who is Spot? Spot is Manu's pet dog. Okay, na? So, in this story, in this lesson, Manu, Mita and Spot, the 3 members are very, very happy. Why they are happy? Because they wanted to see zoo. Okay, na? Next one. At the zoo. At the zoo, they saw. At the zoo, what they saw? They saw monkey. Here, see. Look at this picture. Monkey. Then next, snake. Snake is also there. Then next, what? What is that? Lion, then tiger, elephant, then crocodile. Okay, na? So these many animals they seen at the zoo. Okay, here you can see monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey has a long tail. Okay, and always they used to jump on branch to branch. Okay. Next, snake. Snake is the animal. Okay, and snake is also very dangerous animal. Next one, tiger. Tiger is animal. Okay, and tiger is roaring, and tiger's baby is called cub. Okay, na? Next, lion's baby is also called cub. Okay, then lion spelling is L-I-O-N, lion. Next, elephant. Elephant. So elephant is a animal. It is very big animal. Okay, na? So next, next elephant. Elephant has long nose. Okay, long nose is called trunk. Okay, long nose is called trunk, and it is very, very big animal. Okay, and it has big ears also. Next, crocodile is a water animal. Crocodile lives in water and both land. Okay, so crocodile in green in color. You can see this picture. Okay, na? So Manu, Mita and Spot, they saw monkey, snake, lion, elephant, crocodile and tiger in the zoo. Okay, na? Next picture, next question, next main, answer the questions with yes or no. Circle the right option. So here what you have to do, dear children, you have to circle. Here two options are given this side. One is yes, another one is no. You have to select the correct answer, and in that correct answer, what you have to do, you should put circle on it. Understood? So first question, read it after with me, dear children. The crocodile went hiss. The crocodile went hiss. This sound, okay, crocodile sound or snake sound? Hiss. This is snake sound, right? So snake sound, no, but here what they are given? Crocodile sound. So crocodile sound is not. Okay, so this one is wrong one. So what you have to do? You have to put circle on no option. Okay, no option. Next one, the elephant had a long nose. The elephant had a long nose. So dear children, here first answer has been done for you already. Okay, avare nimage answers kottidare. So second one, what you have to do? You have to put circle on the correct answer. Next one, you can see the elephant had a long nose. Elephant had a long nose here. Yes or no? Tell me dear children. Yes, elephant had a long nose, long and big nose. So here see Y-E-S. Y-E-S. Yes is the right answer. Next one, the family went by car to the zoo. Is this right or wrong? Yes, they went by car to the zoo. Here look at this picture. Look at this picture. They are going to the zoo by the car, dear children. The car sound, you can see vroom. Okay, vroom, like that. So here. Next one, so yes, this one also sentence is correct sentence. So put circle on yes. Next, the tiger was roaming. The tiger was roaming. Who was roaming? Tiger? Yes or no? No. Here see. Here see. Roaming or roaring? Tiger. Here see. Tiger is sleeping, not roaring. Okay. Tiger is sleeping. Who is roaring? Lions. Okay. Lions are roaring. Lions and lions cub. Okay. They are roaring. But tiger is very, okay, sleeping. You can see this picture. You can see this picture. Tiger is sleeping. Okay. So here see the tiger was roaming. No, this one is wrong statement. So put circle on no one. Next, the lion was sleeping. The lion was sleeping. Yes or no? No. Why? Here see. Here see. Lion is not sleeping. Lion is roaring. Okay. Lion and lion's baby cub both are roaring. Okay. So over. This one you have to do practice, dear children. Next one you can see this one. Lions, one side you can see animals name, and another side you can see animals baby's name. Okay. So here see, look at the pictures of the animals, write their names, then write the names of their babies from the box. So here in this green color box you can see the answers. Okay, answers are given here. You have to select the correct answer and write in the correct places. Okay, so first one you can see this picture. What is this? Which animal it is? Which animal it is? Lion, right? Lion. So lion spelling what? L-I-O-N, lion. L-I-O-N, lion. Lion's baby. Who is lion's baby? C-U-B, cub. C-U-B. So number one is C-U-B, cub. Next one, cat. Okay. So which animal it is? Cat. So cat spelling C-A-T, cat. Cat baby is kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. Okay na? So kitten also over. Next one, dog. Who is dog? Dog, Manu's pet dog. Okay. So here see, dog baby is called puppy. Okay na? So puppy spelling what? P-U P-P-Y, puppy. Next, cow. Okay, cow, C-O-W. Cow baby is called calf. Calf. Here see, C-A-L-F. Okay, calf. Next, sheep. Okay, here see, look at this picture. Sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Sheep baby is called lamb, L-A-M-B, lamb, L-A-M-B, lamb. So where it is, find out the spelling of lamb, L-A-M-B, here it is. Okay, so 5, number over. Next, horse. Horse baby is called foal. Okay, F-O-A-L, foal. H-O-R-S-E, horse, F-O-A-L, foal. So, 6th one, here it is. Okay, na? So, you have to match it like this. So, over dear children, here one more thing. Look at the picture. Which animal it is? Elephant, no? So, elephant. Use these clues and write one sentence. Okay, describe about the animal, about this animal. An elephant is very big. Okay, this animal is very big. It is dash in color. Which color it is? Gray in color. Gray color, not black. It is gray in color. It has dash. It has 4 dash and 2 big dash. So it has, what is that? Legs. Okay, it has 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 legs, and it has 2 big ears. Here you can see very big ears. Okay. Its long dash is called a trunk. Here see this part, long nose. Okay, it is called a nose. Okay, but elephant nose is called trunk. Okay, trunk, T-R-U-N-K, trunk. Okay, so you have to complete this main also. Okay children, so now notebooks part. Okay, already I explained 2 mains. Okay, first main, dictation words or new words, and second main is match the following. Okay, already I have explained this one. Next one, question answers. Only 3 questions are given here. You have to write the answers, easy answers. What do you see at the zoo? This is common question for you all dear children. What do you see at the zoo? Zoo alli ಏನು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ? We see many types of birds and animals. Okay, we see many types of animals and birds. Animals, birds, different types of animals and birds we can see at the zoo. Next, what does the camel have on its back? Camel has a hump. Okay, the highest part of its body. Okay, the camel has a hump on its back. Next one, who were happy in the story? Who were happy? Manu, Mita and Spot. Manu, Mita and Spot. Okay na? So today's class over dear children. Have a wonderful day. See you again in the next class. Till then, bye dear children. Stay happy forever. Thank you dear children. Thank you so much.